Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT Tablet Top 10 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So first of all, let's open the browser, and in my case it will be Google Chrome, and here we have to tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's enter the history, and as you can see right here we've got the full list of all previously visited websites. So of course if you want to, you can remove them one by one manually just by tapping on this X button right next to it. But if in your case this list is so wide, then I highly recommend to simply tap on Clear Browsing Data, and here we've got some basic and advanced options. So in basics we've got browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files, and in advanced we've got also saved passwords, out-of-inform data, and site settings. So if you want to remove something, just make sure that it is marked, so I will mark everything. What's more, we can change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 7 days. So if you're ready, just tap on Clear Data, and here we just go back to the history, which is currently empty, and it simply means that that we successfully removed actually everything. So basically that's all. This is how to clear the browser in your CUBOT Tablet Top 10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.